happy holidays. We have a awesome crab dip we're making today for whether it be New Year's or your Christmas party, but it is an appetizer and it's a hot crab dip and it is sensational.
Well, our ingredients are, we're using organic cream cheese, mayo, and you could do organic mayo, just ran out of it, black pepper. I'm using a new type, you guys might be interested in this, I found this at Walmart, Morton light salt, half the sodium, but still the same taste as salt. And so far we've been using, do you like it, honey?
I like it.
Yeah, 50% less sodium than table salt. Was pretty reasonable. You guys might want to try this, but Morton light salt. Thought you guys would be interested. We've got granulated garlic. You can use garlic powder if you choose. Paprika, organic paprika, Worcestershire sauce, mild cheddar cheese, finely shred because we want it to melt. Sour cream, and my friend here, lump crab meat, fresh from the Gulf. So I'm very excited. We're going to get started now, and the procedure, it really is simple. It took us about 5-10 minutes to get everything laid out, all the metered portions of everything. And again, you could take the recipe and modify it. You guys know that. That's the rule of thumb in baking and cooking. You modify it to your taste, don't we?
Yeah, always.
This recipe calls for putting it in the oven. Let me give you an example. For about 20 minutes in bake. I have a convection oven. I like to cook in convection. So we're going to monitor it between 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to test it. It cooks dramatically faster and more thoroughly with convection. So bear that in mind when you guys do that. But anyway, the procedure is take our ingredients, add it all in here with the exception of the lump crab meat. We're going to mix it around real good, get a good consistency. And then we're going to add in the crab and mix that in. And let me tell you, all that deliciousness is going to go in that casserole dish in the oven. Amy got some beautiful baguettes. We're going to toast these a little bit, pull them out, and then right before the casserole's done, and make up the dish. And we're going to slurp down a couple in front of everybody.
Nice.
I think it's going to be delicious. This is the holidays, as Amy said, and Christmas, and it starts off with Thanksgiving. That's awesome. Sets the tone for the rest of the year. And it's really party time to the rest of the year. We're eating good, we're doing specialty dishes, and we're all watching the midriff. I'm watching it, I just don't want anybody else to see it. So
this is just a great appetizer to bring over your guest house. So let's.
Oh yeah, you're gonna knock them off their chair when you bring in a hot. It's one thing a cold dip, but a hot baked dish with baguettes.
Cheesy.
Yeah, put the diets aside for the one day and chow down. I think you guys will enjoy it. So we'll bring you in a little closer as we mix everything. We've got a 1/4 cup of mayo going in. Now we got sour cream coming up, and we've got a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And again, guys, all the recipe, the ingredients will be in the links below as well. Okay. We've got not soy sauce, that's a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Nice. And let's see what else we got. We've got garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we've got paprika, half a teaspoon of paprika. We've got a tablespoon of fresh squeezed Florida lemon juice. We're lucky to get that. A half a teaspoon of salt. And we've got a little bit of pepper, just a 1/4 teaspoon. All right, and now we've got 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And we're gonna mix that up first, and then we'll put the crab meat in after we mix it. All right, we finally got it all mixed up. That was a chore. Make sure your cream cheese is nice and soft. I've got it nice and soft now. Now we've got 1 pound of fresh lump crab meat. So we're going to mix that in nice and gently throughout that and get a good mixture going.
Yeah, this looks great.
You know, the smell. I love crab. And a hot dip is going to be delicious.
Yeah, it's so cheesy and...
Oh, with a cup of cheddar cheese? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I think that'll be ready in no time in the oven. With those warm baguettes. Goodbye, diet. All right, you ready to pop it in there, honey?
Yes, let's transfer into this pan. All right, it's ready to go into the oven.
Let's take a good look at that. You just leave it right there. Beautiful. Okay.
All right, holiday crab dip ready for the oven. All right, we're gonna toast these at the very end when it's maybe 5 minutes before it's coming out. Again, you guys could use anything you want for this dip. Crackers goes well, you know, or bread, pita, whatever you want to use. We're gonna go ahead and use these little baguettes. All right, the crab dip is ready. I'm gonna get it out of the oven here. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, it's like golden brown on top.
Ooh, I like
Looks delicious.
Yes. All right, honey. This looks like a delicioso dish.
Okay, let me make you one.
Yes, please.
It looks so creamy.
Oh my
I
goodness.
smell that crab. Ooh, here, you try first.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, look at this. Does that make your mouth water? Oh, the smell is delicious.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness.
I taste the creaminess of the cream cheese.
I taste another bite.
And the gooiness of the cheese. This is outrageous. You have to make this for your holiday appetizer.
The baguettes work better than crackers. I'm glad we use baguettes. I like.
Another good dish.
Oh, yeah, guys. This is scrumdiddlyocious. Can't talk with your mouth full. It was really good. Well, guys, I hope you're getting excited. This is Christmas season, most special holiday of the year, and we're doing special dishes like this. You can spice up the holidays with seafood. And this is a prime dish. Do you like your creation?
I love this. I love it.
You can modify it any way you want, and you can tweak the ingredients. Everybody does that. And you can make it you might want to make it spicy. I didn't even think about that. Spicy might be good with this too, but fresh lump crab meat is the star of the dish, but in a hot dip, it's totally different taste than a cold dip. Totally different. You can make a meal out of this.
Oh,
This
sure
could be
could.
breakfast and lunch right here.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today on this episode of a sensational hot crab dish. Well, dip. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for taking the time out to watch this. I hope you guys just smash that subscribe button, be part of our family. We've got many more exciting, quick recipes that we want to share with you guys as Christmas draws near. So until we see you on the next one, God bless.